Hey everybody, I want to make a quick video right here. This is my personal site called the Internet Lifestyle Agency.com. I'm not done setting it up, so this won't be here when you come to visit. This generic phone number won't be here, and all this information will be up to date. But I wanted to show you just the basic stuff, the basic setup of what we'll be offering and what will be available. Whether it's reputation management, keeping you up to date if you get some bad Yelp reviews and things like that, we can help you fix that and get that stuff back in a positive direction. And of course, your reach, you want to get to the right audience, the right customer base. We can help you with that. Getting your resale value, getting your customer base up and what you have to offer, getting that out here. And then, of course, referrals, getting you more customers, getting more feet and faces through the door. So this is just a little basic view of the site. This is the rest of it. We help you engage your audience. I'm going to have like a free guide that'll show you about local marketing, SEO marketing, and how that can benefit and help your business. And then also, I'm going to have down at the bottom, I'm going to have a little newsletter. It'll be nice and free, of course, but you can sign up for our business growth newsletter, and that'll allow you to stay up to date with some advice, marketing strategies, advertising strategies, and advice and strategies and things that'll help you succeed because the stuff is constantly changing. Google changes the marketing algorithms, whether it's a panda slap or a penguin slap. You can Google those and find out more about those. And that type of stuff changes on a constant basis. And we'll keep you up to date and up to speed and keep customers coming through your door, which is the basis of any and most businesses. So, hey, take it easy. I have my website in there, internetlifestyleagency.com, and I also have a phone number where you can call, leave a message, or talk to me if you need to. We can get something set up and get you going. Take it easy.